Hi superstars, today we'll be talking about requirements for certificate of occupancy in real estate business in Nigeria. Okay, so what's certificate of occupancy? Certificate of occupancy is like the last document required in real estate business for a free land in Nigeria. Certificate of occupancy is popularly known as C of O. I know most of you have been hearing of things like C of O. All right, so it means certificate of occupancy. There are documents you need to present in order to process certificate of occupancy in Nigeria. So in this video, I will listen out those documents you need to present in order to process your certificate of occupancy, C of O. All right, so the documents you need to present to process your certificate of occupancy, that C of O, include the following. Number one, 4 or 3 original copies of power of attorney, 2 original survey plan documents, 1 certificate of deposit, that's C of D, 2 passports of the vendor, and 2 passports of the buyer. You need to pay for stamp duty, that's 3% of the consideration. That's if it is within 28 days, you pay 3% as stamp duty. But if it's beyond 28 days after you bought the land, then you'll be paying 6% of the purchase price, all right, as stamp duty. So once you buy a land, you need to process your certificate of occupancy, all right. That's when you pay 3%, but after 28 days, you'll be paying 6% of the price you bought the land. Next, you pay a registration fee of 15,000, application fee of 10,000 naira. You pay sealing of documents, which is 2,500 naira. You pay for post stamp, that is 500 naira, and those are the basic things you pay for. When you pay for application fee, you'll be given a letter of consent document and procedures to legalize your land in Akwa Ibom State. All these things I have mentioned are very peculiar to Akwa Ibom State. That is where I stay. I don't know if it's different in other states. If it's different, it may not be so much. It may be 1 or 2 things, because I know that legal matters spread unified in most states in Nigeria. Okay, so this is peculiar to Akwa Ibom State. After you've done the necessary things, they'll now give you procedures to legalize your land in Akwa Ibom State with you. All right, my superstar. Okay, so before processing your certificate of occupancy, what's known as C of O, you have to know that all lands in Nigeria belong to the government. And when you process your land titles, you'll be given the land to hold for 99 years. Yes, 99 years. After 99 years, to be quite honest, we don't know what will happen, but I think you need to renew that land title after 99 years. All right, and in the course of owning the land, if government have need for the land, even after you've perfected your land titles, then they have every right to take the land from you. If you've not developed the land, that is, if you've not built on the land, and they have need to use that road, that land, maybe a road is passing through that land, or they want to build a very important government structure on that land, then they have every right to take that land from you and use it. But if you've built on the land after you've perfected your land titles, they will compensate you. They'll pay you compensation for whatever structure you have erected on that land before they go ahead and demolish it and use it for what they want to do. Okay, my superstars, so when you are processing your land titles, you have to bear in mind that every land belongs to the government in Nigeria. All right. Okay, my superstar. So if you have any question, please feel free leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. Alright, my superstars, and if you have not subscribed, please take a second to hit that subscribe button. My superstars, please like and share this video. Share this video to your friends, your family, and loved ones who have plans to own a land so they can perfect their land titles and be safe from demolishing their land or their land being hijacked from another person or their land being hijacked by another person. Okay, my superstars. All right. Thank you for watching this video. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.